Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix audio in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go down to your taskbar, and right here you're gonna find the sound settings. Right click and then click on sound settings. Once you click on sound settings, you're going to be right here. So here in output, check which output device you have. And you can also check your microphone. So for me, I use the Logitech Pro X gaming headset for the as the output device and also the mic. So once you check your output and input device, go to DaVinci Resolve. You're going to find this right here next to File. Click on it and then click on Preferences. Or you can also click on Control plus virgule. So click on Preferences and then you're going to be right here. So after that, go ahead and click on Video and Audio I/O, and right here in System, go right here to Audio, and you're going to find your output device right here. So if you find this in Use System Settings, click on it and then search for the speaker that you use. So in my case, I'm going to use the speakers Logitech Pro X gaming headset. Click on it and then you can also check which input device you want to use. So in my case, I only have this microphone, so I can't change it. Once you finish, go ahead and click on save, and then your audio will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.